No wonder why, no wonder why. At paglakad, where's Jessica? Here. Oh, dito yung amin. Hala. Meron din. Do you like it here? What's up mga guwapa?
This one.
Yeah, this one. We will go out guys. Pupunta kami sa
This is the third one.
labas. Oh, wait sabi. Put that one on.
The third one. My daddy.
Oh, there's kids there. Come on.
Okay.
Hi kids. Yeah, we're going for a walk. Itong path na to guys is nandyan si Jessica oh. Mag-take daw to sa city. Kaya titignan namin kasi oh my gosh. 3 bahay lang daw from our house. Makaka-walking na kami guys. Tignan nyo naman ang view dito guys. Diyan yung paborito ni Mr. na bahay, sana doon. Pero hindi namin nakuha, 'di ba 'yun guys? So nandito kami sa isang side. Hala. Wow, you like it?
I like it.
First time ni Jessica lumabas. Ooh.
Nice.
Let me see your face. Oh, see? Come here. It's nice, yeah?
Whoop.
Whoops, may bago tayong lalakaran. Ang lapit lang guys, 3 bahay lang sa bahay. Wow! Diyan is river. Hala. Hala, ang lapit lang pala ng sapa. Diyan guys. Come here, Nak. Let's go to the river. Come, hold mommy.
Okay.
Come. Diyan oh. Nandyan ang sapa. It's a river there.
Oh no, there's no kids.
Yeah, there's no way. This is not a... Hala, ang ganda ng view. Look at the view, Nak. Look. Wow. Do you like it?
I like the view.
You like it?
Donut.
Wait. Hold, mommy. Ang maganda dito is wala siyang sasakyan.
Nice.
Nice. Yeah, it's nice. Walang sasakyan dito, guys. Tignan nyo. You're free to walk everywhere. As in, ang ganda. Nandun yung bahay namin. Nandun yung bahay namin, guys. Bukid. Yuhu. Go to the bukid na. Yuhu.
This is sea.
Yeah. Hala, guys. Amazing. Tignan nyo, guys. May tao doon, oh. Nangingisda sila. Ay. Ang harapan pala is yung tinitirahan namin dati. Doon. Para magkabilang side lang siya. Doon kami nakatira dati, guys. Oh, sa kabilang side. Hala, oy. Amazing. First time namin lumabas dito, guys. Nandun, oh, may mga tao doon. Do you wanna walk more?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Hala, ang ganda dito, guys. Makakalabas tayo dito more often. More often ba yan? Pag summer na. Wow, amazing. 3 bahay lang from the house. Tapos dito na yung view.
Doggy.
Yeah, it's like we're walking in the park.
Little doggy.
Tignan niyo si Jessica. Are you happy? Doggies, are you happy? Yes. Ang saya ni Jessica, guys. Hala, oy, na-amaze ako, guys. First time ko kasing sinabi ni Mr. na i-turn ko ba kayo? Pangit kasi yung aking mukha, mas maganda pa yung view. Sinabi ni Mr. na try mo magpunta dyan sa likod kasi 3 house lang daw from our house. So 1, 2, 3 yung likod, yan, dyan. Sa amin yan, dyan. Malapit sa amin, dyan lang. Tapos pag turn namin, yun na. Makakalakad na tayo from there, going there, somewhere. Ay, ang ganda. Amazing. Pwede tayo magkuhan lakad-lakad dito. It's a doggy. Cute. Here, halaka. Amazing talaga yung view dito, guys. As in. Oh, mayroon pang isang labasan dyan. Oh. Yalaka. Na-amaze talaga ako. First time namin maglakad. Where's Jessica? Here. Wala, nag-aaway yung mga aso. Oh, dito yung amin. Hala. Meron din ditong daanan. From there to here. May daanan. Halakad na. Come here, come here. Come. Let's show them the view. Wow, look. Ala, ganda talaga ng view dito, guys. As in. Wow, para kaming nasa kuan. Nasa ibang bansa. Do you like it here? Tignan nyo naman, guys.
No, my hands get cold.
Hindi naman makikita no, sa aking mukha no, na ang happy-happy ko. First time na ni Jessica dito. Ang lapit lang sa bahay. Parang 3 minutes lang. Hala, dito na tayo guys. Dito tayo mag-vlog-vlog. Kung naboboard na kayo sa bahay, pwede lang maglabas. I hope pag malaki na si Jennifer kasi nilayasan namin si Mister. Oh, careful anak. Tignan nyo naman guys. Hala. Tignan nyo. Where's Jessica? Come here. Do you like it here?
Go.
Yeah, tell your titas.
Wow, water, mommy.
Sabihin mo sa kanila na
What's
nandito
this,
kami. Yeah, water. Ang ganda guys. Para kami nakabikisi yun. Yeah, agay. Do you like it here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then field.
Yeah, we should tell Daddy na. It's so nice here. Tignan nyo guys. Tignan nyo yung view. Ooh, para kami nasa kuan, Australiang Amerika. Come here, hold mommy. Nakakatakot lang pag may bata. Dapat talaga silang hawakan, oh. Yeah, are you happy?
What's mine?
Oh, it's cold. Doon yung, tignan nyo, ibaliktad ko kayo guys ha. Doon yung bahay namin dati, dyan. Hala, oy, masyadong mahangin, basta nasa tubig tayo. Maganda dito, oh, mag-fishing ba. Ala, ito ang view, oh. Ang caring boy. Where's Jessica? Here. Oops, don't go near there. Just stand by there, okay?
Okay.
That's River Nak. You can find fish there if you want to go fishing. There's a lot of fish. Ayun, doon yung bahay namin, guys. Malapit lang talaga. Amazing. Hala, na-amaze talaga ako. Pwede tayo mag-upo dito. You wanna sit down here? Oh, siling. You want mommy help you? Oh. Oh, JJ only. Oh, ayaw niya magpa-help. Ala, you like it? You wanna go down? Tignan niyo si Jessica, guys. Ayan. Naka-time kami. Nag-aaway na yung dalawa, oh. What? Hala, ang ganda ng view, guys. Amazing.
We'll go down.
Down. No need to go to Kuan, Barry Island. Yung summer, kung ngayong summer, dito na lang kami. What?
Go on down.
Go down? Kinda walk. Uy, ang lamig. Are we going home now?
No.
Hala, ayaw mo umuwi, nak. It's so cold. Jennifer is crying now. Cry.
No.
Maganda ang view, oh, as in super nice ang view. Na, come here. Come here, let's read something here. Hala guys, mahangin talaga siya guys. Mayroon daw tayong mapapaid na, mag-study tayo guys.
Mommy, we'll go down.
Yeah, mayroon silang butterfly.
Do that.
Oh, mayroon ngang isda dito. Pwede tayong mangisda dito guys.
Mommy, I can see fish.
What? Ala, nalubat na ating battery na. Kanina is full charge man to. Ngayon nalulubat na.
What's this?
Careful. No, don't pick that one. It's dirty. Let's go home na ta. Ang ganda talaga, oh. Babalik tayo dito soon, guys. Oy, uy, it's so cold, uy. My battery is low, nak.
Mommy, we'll go out.
Uwi na tayo, guys. Oy, wala, mapagkamalan tayo. There's a birthday. Guys, nalubat yung battery ko. We need to go home properly, correctly. And now. Pauwi na kami, guys. Kasi lubat. Ang phone ko yung ginamit ko. Masyadong ma-shaky. Pauwi na kami. Don't worry, guys. Kasi wala namang mga sasakyan dito. Kasi kanong kuan nga siya, path siya. Para siyang park ba na maglakad-lakad. Pag mag-exercise. Pag gusto ng family bonding. Hala, shaky talaga yung camera ko. Yun yung bridge, oh. Field. Come here na kay, we're going home. Hinangak na ako guys. Meron na tayong flower. Sabi nila pag may, come here, there's flower here. Sabi nila pag may ganito na daw, is Malapit na ang spring. Yeah, flowers. Do you like them flowers? Nag-acting-acting pa na mag-smell. You wanna smell? Is there a smell?
Yeah.
Yeah, what color is that flower? What color?
Green and yellow.
Green and yellow. Good job. Oh, come on, let's go.
Now.
Ang ganda ng path, guys. As in, na-miss ako. Ang aming bahay, nandyan lang sa likod. Maganda siya kasi as in, maganda siya lakad-lakaran. Para siyang park na makakares ka, makakalaro-laro yung mga bata. Tignan nyo naman, guys. Para kaming pumunta ng Amerika. Yan, oh. Hala, pwede yung sasakyan ni Jessica dito. Yung car niya. Pwede yung car ni Jessica dito, yung pink. Mag-drive. Nak, do you wanna bring your car here? Yeah. Let's ask Daddy. Bawal tayo mag-video sa ibang mga bata, guys, kasi meron yan law dito. Come here, oh. Let's show them the river there, oh. Bawal yan. Come on, let's go home.
No. Oh, on here.
Mami? Ano?
You need your hat. Where are you going? It's shocking, honey. I'm surprised there. It's super nice. There's a lot of people. I'm vlogging. They're looking at me. It's cold, Nak. Nak.
On the slide.
Te, in your slide.
Mommy's turn.
Mommy's turn. She want me to go out too.
Shut the door.
Be.
Close the door. It's so cold out there.
Nasa bahay na kami, guys. Dito na kami sa garden. Babalik kami soon doon. Ito, oh, maglilinis pa kami dito. Ito na yung muka ng garden ngayon. Transfer ni Mr. yung garbage bin. Tapos ito is, dito niya ilalagay yung motorbike niya. Nagising na din si Jennifer. Kinuha siya ni Mr. Yan. Tapos dito, maglilinis pala ako today dito. Ipapaputi ko, lalagyan ko ng acid. Ganito, oh.
My car.
Yung nilagay ni Mr. Magamit ako ng... Ha?
I wash my car.
You wanna wash your car? Why?
I don't want to.
Oh, your car is dirty. Oh no.
I need to clean it first.
You need to clean it first. Yan, nilinis ko na yan dyan, guys. Ay, tinanggal ko na yung mga... Hala, hala ka nagunon. Hala. Nataranta na siya. What are you doing? Nandyan si Jennifer. Nandyan si Jennifer. Nandyan siya. Kinugos, tinarga ni Mr. Jessica, what are you doing?
I'm washing my car. There's the water in it.
Oh no. You're washing my car. Fill the water in it. Oh my gosh. Are you staying here? I'll just go get your sister. Okay? I will just watch you from inside the door. Okay? Yan ang maganda dito, guys. Kasi meron lang door. No need to panicking. Ala, naglilinis. Come here.
Mommy,
What?
I'm go out.
Yeah, go out later when baby sleep again, okay?
Okay.
Uy! Are you awake? Let's see! The big girl. Oh, come here na. We're here with the baby twink. Oh, galit siya, guys. Pag galit is pinapalo niya. Tignan nyo. Oh, ang galit. Ang baby. You're so kick. You wanna go out with mommy? Jennifer? Ha? Layasan natin si daddy. Let's layas ti daddy. Ha? When it's summer, daddy will open the door and no one's screaming. We're all in the park. We're all outside. Whose house is empty? There's no people. People are twing. Ang taba. Kalamihan ni tut. Hello, Jennifer. How's your sleep? Huh? How's your sleep? Hala, oy, madami pa rin siyang rashes. Agay. Oh, so cute man ni baby. Look like daddy. Tit. Basa man na, oy. Oy, are you wet, oy? Wait, oy. Okay. No wonder why. Ako. No wonder why, no wonder why. Where's Jennifer? Dance! Dance na! Use your punish, sitin na nanlis nga ganos. Yung mikik, 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 mami mikik, kikirikikik. Guys, tingnan nyo to. Para kung nasa Thailand, may tom yum soup. Oh my gosh. I'm craving for this for a long time. 1 year? Almost 2 years. Tom yum, baby. Chiding! Jessica, you want some?
No, down.
Want some? JJ. Shh. You want some? Want some? You want or no?
Bow wow.
You want this? Shh. I'm asking you, do you want this one?
No, bow is like eat it.
Oh no. You don't want this?
No, bow wow.
Ago, your hair is messy again. You want this one? Kain tayo guys. Lumpia.
Hey, yo!
Want try?
Yes.
Jessica,
Yes?
get sa stand please.
No.
Sige na. Stand of my camera please. Thank you. Please. Oh no, Jessica is not love mommy. Jessica don't love
Hey,
mommy.
mommy.
No, I want the stand of the camera.
I just did, mommy.
Why?
I just did.
Scared of what? Tignan niyo na siya guys, oh. Scared of what?
Stop.
What?
Stop.
What that?
What's that noise?
What noise?
Bleh.
It's the camera. I zoom you in. See? I zoom your face. See? Takot. Takot si Jessica.
I know.
What?
I'll take the picture.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Why are you scared?
Let's take this one.
1, 2, 3, smile. Done na, done.
Take it off, mommy.
What? I will take it off. Jessica, what? I will take it off.
Take it. I'm asleep.
Enough phone na be. What are you watching? Alam nyo ba guys, uninstall what?
Emma.
Emma? Who's Emma?
No, this
Who's that?
is Jenny.
Jenny.
Jenny quiet.
Who's Jenny?
Quiet. Bye-bye, friends.
Bye, friends. Good morning guys! Today is another day. Hindi ko na-end yung aking vlog kagabi. Tignan nyo akong mukha. Oh, wala pa akong ayos sa sarili, no? Kagigising ko lang para akong sinuntok ni Manny Pacquiao. Nandito lang ako para mag-say goodbye sa inyong lahat. And we'll see you in our next vlog. God bless everyone. Bye-bye! I hope you enjoy our vlog yesterday. Bye! Take care! Salamat ng maraming sa support. Bye! Love, love!